Hi guys, welcome to another daily market forex analysis. Today's Thursday, the 24th of October. I'm going to go ahead and break down the dollar index as well as Euro USD, JPY USD, USD CAD and EJ. So let's get started. Remember, if you trade in the USD pairs, you always need to look at the dollar index first. This indicates where the dollar is going next. So if you look at the dollar index, the DXY, if you search DXY and start on the weekly time frame, we're going to break down the price. We're going to trap the price between two levels on a weekly. We're going to trap a support and resistance. So as you can see, this is the most recent support level here. Why is this a support? Because you can see once, twice and three times it's come to this level, it's rejected it, price has formed a higher low and price has changed from bearish to bullish. So we can class this as the most recent support. If we now mark a resistance level, we can see here is your most recent resistance. You can see price has got to this level 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It's rejected this level, it's come back down. Price has changed from bullish to bearish, so this is the most recent resistance on the weekly time frame. So now we've got the levels on the weekly, we can assume or we can expect price to move in between these levels. As you can see, it has done since all the way this level since November. So you can see price has respected these for almost a year now. Once you've got the weekly support and resistance, you go into the daily time frame and we want to mark your daily levels as zones. So if we get this rectangle tool out, you can see there's a daily zone here which also falls on a weekly. So you can have these any colors you want. I'm going to park that in red. And here you can see there's also high low made. So there's a daily support and obviously you've got your daily resistance as well, which is here. So you can see price is approaching the daily resistance. It might form a higher low on a daily, and it might continue to go up, or it's relatively close to this daily resistance. It could go back down all the way to this most recent daily support level here. So in the next couple of days, or even today's Thursday, so you can expect it to make a higher low, and tomorrow it'll continue to be bullish. That's one theory, or it could just plummet and go back down. We don't know. But today it is a bearish candlestick, which indicates today price is going down. I want to break it down further to go on the H4 time frame. As you can see, we've got higher low, a higher high, higher low. This is the most recent high low on H4 time frame, so this would be your support. And this is your resistance on the H4 time frame. So as you can see, price has rejected the H4 resistance, and it could come down here and make a high low and go back up, or it could retrace all the way to this H4 level before going back to the daily. So that's how I see it playing out. As you can see, price has rejected the H4 resistance. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out the rest of the day. It could just form a high low and continue to go up, which is likely. We'll have to wait and see. Also, what you can do is, to help aid your analysis in terms of direction, you can use trend lines. So as you can see, price is respecting this trend line for a number of days now, and you can see price continue to increase, form higher highs and higher lows within this time frame. So it's formed a higher high, higher low, it'll respect the trend line and it continue to go up. So it might retrace a bit more before it goes back to this level and even further to this daily time frame. So as you can see, that coincides with the daily as well. So now that you've marked your daily time frame, if we just mark that off. So daily is marked. You can see here where price is going next. So as you can see, weekly is bullish. So we're expecting the price this week to be bullish. We're only expecting DXY to go up, and as you can see, Monday bullish, Tuesday bullish, Wednesday bullish, Thursday, which is today, it's just a slight pullback. So we're expecting a slight pullback before Friday closes all the way to the daily time frame. That's how I see price playing out. So this aids your analysis and direction in terms of where the USD pairs are going. So if we go to the Euro GBP, we'll mark the Euro GBP. Get rid of these drawings and start again. So weekly time frame, remember you want to trap the price between two levels of support and resistance. So here's your resistance here, and your support level just here. Once you've done that, trap the price between your two levels. You want to go into the daily time frame, and you want to repeat the process again, making sure you mark your support and resistance levels on a daily time frame. This is where you look at your high highs and high lows. So you've got your rectangle tool here. You can see this is your daily support. I'll extend it because there's a wick here, so I'll extend it all the way to the wick, so it covers all the wick. That is your daily support. My daily is always in red. You can have it any color you want. If we go into the daily resistance, here's your daily resistance. I've moved it all the wick just in case price does breach further than the candlestick itself, but these are my daily levels now. Daily support, daily resistance. If you go to the H4 time frame, you want to trap the price between two levels once again on a small time frame. So you get the rectangle tool out once again, and we can see here is the support, the most recent support, which also falls on a daily time frame, a daily level. And you want to mark your H4 resistance, which is here. So as you can see, price is respecting these to the T. Here's a H4 resistance, it comes down to a H4 support, it goes back to H4 resistance, and as you can see, price is now moving back to the H4 support. So price, we only enter a trade when it's at the level or on the level. So every time it moved from here, you could have took a sell trade down, could have took a buy trade up, could have sell trade down, and now we can expect a buy trade up tomorrow. I wouldn't say now because obviously learning session is coming close to an end. I usually do my analysis in the morning, but today I haven't had a chance. It's nearly approaching 2 p.m. So if you wanted to take a sell trade, you would have taken it earlier. So what you could have done is highlight the candlestick on the H4 time frame. So get the rectangle tool out. If you're interested in this candlestick here, then go into M15 entry time frame. Could have entered on any of these candles here. And then if you take an entry, you want your support and resistance, well, short position, stop loss just above the level, TP here. So you're risking, if you look, you can monitor the trade on H1, you're risking 7 pips to win 37. So if you trade £1 a pip, that is £370, you're risking 76 pound. That's a risk to reward ratio of 5. So that's how I would have traded Euro GBP. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that analysis. I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. I like to do my analysis within 10 minutes. I'm not going to go into the other entries because I've got to go to a meeting. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.